Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your Samsung S7 Edge has enough storage, and the keyboard app is installed. This avoids mid-process failures. Once done, open Settings and go to Language and Input. You need to be in the right menu to change system input. Make sure to tap Current Keyboard to view options, because selecting the new keyboard later requires it to be enabled here. This early setup saves time and prevents unexpected app prompts during the switch. Next, enable the new keyboard. Tap Manage Keyboards and toggle it on. You will see a warning, accept it only for trusted apps, since this grants typing access. Then open the keyboard settings to choose languages, themes, and gesture typing. This customizes typing behavior so it feels familiar. If the app requests microphone or clipboard access for voice typing or predictions, grant permissions selectively. Once configured, return to Current Keyboard to choose your new keyboard under Current Keyboard, and then test it in Messages or Notes so you can feel keys, autocorrect, and suggestions. This confirms everything works. If typing is slow or keys lag, go back into the keyboard app settings to lower prediction intensity or disable heavy themes. If problems persist, reboot the phone. If that fails, reinstall the keyboard or clear its cache in Settings right arrow apps. One key troubleshooting tip: restart before drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.